Hello, this is Brain Chatter. Thank you for watching.
All right, I am Carlos, the fish. I'm here with another science experiment with... Hey, Wyatt! Where are you? We're starting without you. There you are. Okay. This is my boss, Wyatt.
Yes?
Hi, Wyatt. How are you?
Good.
Excellent. What are we making today?
Crystals.
Crystals.
And here's an example that came in the box.
Oh, okay, let's see. Let me see it.
No, you're not.
Just put it in my mouth. I need to test it for diagnostic purposes.
Carlos, it does not taste like you.
It can.
Mm-mm.
It
It tastes like meat.
Ooh, I like me.
No, I said meat.
Oh, I like meat. Especially after it's already been reprocessed.
It's not reprocessed.
Give me a bite.
Ah.
Oh. Oh.
Did
Delicious
you just eat the whole
and
thing?
nutritious. Tastes just like poop.
Ooh.
Blech. Ta-da! Okay, so what are we doing today?
Crystals, I guess. This needs to be washed now.
Oh, well, you just touched it, so now you have to wash your hands. Welcome to the gift of E. coli, the gift that keeps on giving. Anyways, we have this cool Scholastic STEAM Crystalize. Hey, are you a scientist?
Crystals.
You're a crystal scientist?
Uh-huh.
So you're a chrysalis.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's a bug cocoon.
Yep. You're a bug cocoon.
Okay.
You look
Crystallize. So you can do a bunch of different kits. It comes with a blue and a purple and a glow in the dark and a regular and a glow in the dark stone. So we have put the regular stone inside of that.
How can you tell it's a regular stone?
Because one says it's got something extra in it. So this is how to do it.
Hold on. Let me test.
Half a cup of water, full pack of crystal growing powder, and let's see what we've got. We have blue liquid. Da, 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 da.
Yeah, you were right. Carlos, you were right. This is the wrong one. I tested the glow light on it, and that one glows. This one doesn't.
Yes, that's why we didn't put that one in there.
Did you already test it like that?
Yes, I did. Because I am Carlos, the fish! So we are going to have an adult, that's Dad, heat the mixture on the stove until it starts to simmer. Remove the saucepan from heat, let it cool for 15 minutes. Pour the crystal growing place the crystal growing disc flat down in the glass container. That's like that. No, don't touch the pan, it's hot. Ask an adult, that's Dad, to pour the liquid into glass container. Place the container in an area where it will not be disturbed, because it needs to sit. Now sit back and wait patiently. You should see the first crystals forming after about a day. It will be a solid week, though, until your specimens get really impressive. I am a specimen, and I am always impressive.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You're not a crystal. You're brown.
No, I am a specimen.
You're brown.
I am a brown specimen.
You
When you are happy with your results, carefully remove the growing disc and its attached crystals. Display your creation on the mirrored crystal stand. Why it works. In hot water, the powder dissolves into tiny particles that are too small to see with the naked eye. I apologize for the shaky camera. There we go. The mixture is called saturated solution. That means it holds as much dissolved powder as it possibly can. As the water cools, it loses some of its holding power. The powder cannot stay in a dissolved state, so the particles start joining to form crystals. So we will keep adding to the video, and then we will publish it up, so you will see it in a few seconds. And yes, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, so now it is going to sit for a week. And we will add pictures in. Hello, Wyatt. We will add the pictures in as it goes. And keep you apprised. And then we will do more different ones in a different video.
Like glow in the dark.
Like glow in the dark. Okay, see you soon. It's been a week, and I reek. Okay, so that's going to help. Here's what we got.
A crystal?
So it says that we are to go ahead and try and break it free of the little disc.
There's a disc in the bottom of it.
And as you can see, it does not come out. So what we're going to try is we're going to take a butter knife
No.
and just go around the outer edge and see if that will free it enough that it will come out. And we will try and do our best to keep it in one piece. Just like me, Carlos, the fish!
Yeah. We want to keep it in one piece because then it will be a cool thing.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will just be scattered crystals.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this. Try and break the edge.
Ooh.
Oh, did you get it?
It's still liquid on the bottom.
But the top's ready to come out.
Yes.
Doesn't surprise me.
There's two drawers that are a little,
Hold on.
slide a little bit weird.
Now we can like grab the top and
No, don't touch. So one little thing we noticed with this was that it stains the counters. So
Oh, look at that. It's crystals.
this is the accumulation disc, and this is the leftover sludge.
I think there's a crystal. Is that a big crystal sitting? No.
No, it's just crystal sludge.
How are we going to clean the disc?
We're gonna put it in the sink and wash it off.
I think it will dissolve.
I think the stuff will fall off of it. Don't touch.
I know.
Okay.
It's a crystal.
All right, Wyatt. So what do we have here?
Our crystal. Looking
It
pretty.
is glowing with the blue.
Kind
so-
of turns it purple.
There is still some sludge, so you could try and do something like put it on top and see if it will grow more. I don't think we will do that because I think we will just end up ruining this. But it makes a cool little crystal display, and we can put it on the base, and it's got a black light, so it's purple and it's glowing. There is
Hold
a
on, let me
purple
turn-
crystal kit. Go ahead.
Turn off the light.
Go ahead. It's Energon. Wow.
The crystal energy is transmuting. We shall be the powerfulest people
I'm
on
being
earth.
irradiated. I have the power. Oh, that was just gas. Could you turn the light back on, please?
What? Yeah.
Wyatt, turn the light on. Okay. So just be aware, whatever you are working on, this stuff is heavily stainable, and you get a little bit of sludge even after a week. So, overall, pretty cool. I like it. Just be safe and careful with where you are putting it. Wyatt, can you move the paper towels to the right, please?
Yeah, sure.
Whole thing? Thank you. As you can see, that is a permanent stain. They are bluish colored counters, so it's not that big of a deal. Eventually the humans will replace them. But for now, this is Wyatt, the fish, and Wyatt, the crystallologist, signing off. I don't know where Wyatt went. He stole the crystal and he ran off. Jeez, it's hard to find good help.
Hold on, I'm coming back. I'm right here. I'm right here. I just wanted to show Mom the crystal.
Okay, hey, tell the viewers. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
And
for
have
watching.
a crystal comes up powered.
Do you see what I have to put up with? Okay, bye-bye.
Bet you won't touch that button. Check it out.